So here we are in Ampang, and this is actually the pass from Ampang to Hulu Langat. And when you go up there, there's a place called Bukit Ampang Show Gallery, and there's a little cafe here called the Little Salted Coffee Cafe, something like that. The view here is fantastic. As you can see, I can see a whole of KL. Down here you got the forest. They're actually going to build a development down here, but until then you got this beautiful view. I wish it was raining, then you can see the mist building up here. It's a fantastic place to be. Nice view. You got al fresco dining where you can sit just by the ledge and look at this beautiful sky up there. It's now about 4 p.m. here. As you can see, wonderful. On top of beautiful view, you also get good coffee. It's my cappuccino here, perfectly done. How beautiful that is. And you also have got cakes. This is a carrot walnut cake. I must say it was fantastic. So if you want, come over to Ampang. This is the Little Salted Cafe, a place you gotta go.